Thank you very much. Thank you very much for allowing us to celebrate this special day with you. We've dedicated Fiji's Independence Day celebration to our children, and I have decided to spend it with our special children. And I am no stranger to this place. Actually, I've been looking for one boy by the name of Chris. I don't know where Chris is, but I remember we had baby Chris some 4 or 5 years ago. 5 years ago, yes. Maybe adopted, and so I've actually met all the children from across the homes, everywhere, Dilkusha, here. And I must say it's a very wonderful experience. It's very fulfilling, and I must acknowledge my friend Lokesh here for giving these kids beautiful t-shirts to wear. Please keep that. See, I've got one to accept. I got black because I cheer for Ba. So, you know, soccer is going on, right? Yes. Today my team is playing. So that's why I have to wear black, otherwise I worn white. But I must say thank you very much for looking after our children. I have my team from education here as well. I'm just trying to get them inspired about how we as individuals can make a difference in someone's life, you know? And my team, I'm very happy with the team education now. They're getting into those things, and hopefully they will be able to be of assistance in the future. But coming back to children, you dream very big, and I think I'm so pleased to hear about your dreams. When I was a little girl, believe me, I didn't know where I was going to be. I didn't know. I come from a very poor family. And the only thing my mother used to tell me, she used to tell all my 5 brothers and sisters, go to school, study hard. She did not ask us to have big dreams. She just wanted us to study hard, and she just wanted us to follow our own career path. And believe me, I never dreamed that I would be a leader of this nation. I never believed in myself that one day I could become a minister. I was happy being a teacher. I worked hard, I was a teacher, and then the opportunity came. What I'm trying to say, the opportunities that you'll be getting in life, the opportunities that will be given to you while you are here in the form of education. That's the biggest gift we can give you. That's the biggest gift the home can give to you. Education. That's the biggest gift I can as a minister give to you. And that's the biggest gift our Honorable Prime Minister wants to give to the children of Fiji. This year we've dedicated this year's Independence Day to all our beautiful children. And through education, believe me, in the next 50 years, all of you will make a name for yourself in the society. You'll make a name for yourself in the nation. And those that want to join the British Army and the American Army, I pray that you reach where you want to go. And it's possible. I made it possible. I made it possible. I'm telling you that. So don't think because you are away from your parents, because you are not getting your parents' love. I'm sure the staff here are giving you all the love that any parent can give you. And that I can see in how confident you are. Little boys and girls standing up and telling me, you want to become this, you want to become that. Beautiful. So today, I just want to say, don't miss out on education, okay? Go to school every day. Study hard. Work hard. And I will be gone by the time you become doctors and pilots and engineers, but I'm sure you'll remember today.